to check region of your PlayStation account on PlayStation 4 or 5. So if you want to check region of your PlayStation account on your PlayStation 4 or 5, then what you need to do is first, if you're going with the online method, then you just need to simply go with your account management. First, you need to sign in to your PlayStation and then go with the account management. After that, select your information and edit your residential address. Your country or region is shown in the bottom. Select the country or region from the bottom left corner of the page. Select your country and region and make sure you're seeing the correct information and you'll be able to change it. Or if you're using your console, then on PlayStation 4 console, you need to first turn on your PlayStation 4 and log into your account and then go with the main menu and select settings. After that, scroll down and choose account management. Select account information and then look for the country and region to see the country associated with your account. Or if you're using PlayStation 5 console, then turn on your PlayStation 5 and log in. And from the home screen, select the profile icon. Once you've chosen profile, scroll down and find the country and region field to see the country linked to your account. That's how you can check region of your PlayStation account on your PlayStation 4 or 5. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.